John Johnson. Welcome to John's Garage. The whole purpose of this channel is to see what I can do in my garage. You know, I've really been trying to level up, put on some extra weight, and just feel good and look good for myself. You know, sometimes we do things for others and to get some type of applause, but you really don't profit from that. So you really have to, you know, if you want to be motivated and you want to be continually working out, you gotta put it in your heart just to do it for you. So in John's Garage, we're going to be covering a lot of different types of workouts with the equipment that I have available. So I'm going to be doing complete workouts, upper body workouts, lower body workouts, workouts on neglected parts of the body like our lower leg. The channel is going to be a little different. You're going to see these different types of videos in their total and in short increments as well. So you're going to be able to see me do these workouts and track the information as far as like how many reps I've done, how long I rested in between each rest, the total duration of the actual workout. It's going to be, of course, edited so it can be consolidated for time's sake, but you'll get the purpose of the actual routine and you implement these techniques. And I want to hear your results. I want you to share your results with me. If you want to see me do a different type of workout, just let me know, because I'm going to just be doing what I do, and I also going to be doing different things. If I find out different things, if you make suggestions on things, and if I try them and I have great results with those, I'm going to record that and share it with you. So I'm going to be trying to get at least 2 to 3 videos out a week. The videos are going to be pretty much stationary, like one camera up on a tripod, because I do not have a crew to actually follow me around, and it's really not much to look at in here. So it's going to be heads-on, me doing these different workouts, and I'll be zooming in and out to give you the actual intensity of the workouts, okay? If you like this channel and you want to go on this journey with me, I want you to subscribe, share this channel. Click on the notification icon so that you can be up to date with my latest video as I level up in John's Garage. See you in the next video.